In this video, I will be showing you the fixes on your Mac says unable to connect iPhone error when start iPhone mirroring. The first easy fix is to remove the Mac from your iPhone settings and launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the General option. Now again, scroll to AirPlay and Continuity option. Then, tap on iPhone mirroring that view and use your iPhone from your Mac. Now, swipe left to delete the Mac that's connected to your iPhone. Tap on Delete, or tap on Edit from top corner and delete like this. Once you delete Mac from iPhone settings, go back to your Mac screen. Launch the iPhone mirroring on your iPhone using Spotlight Search. Use Command plus space and type iPhone mirroring. Click on the Continue option to set up again. Unlock your iPhone to verify with your iPhone lock screen passcode. Tap on Allow Notifications to fix. And get started with the option is showing on the screen. Now, lock your iPhone screen to start using iPhone with iPhone mirroring on Mac. That's it. Still not fixed the restart both the devices, Mac and iPhone. And check again. If you are facing any difficulties, then I recommend to revoke settings and set up again. From the top menu on iPhone mirroring, go to the iPhone mirroring menu and click on Settings. Click on Revoke Access to Phone. Again, confirm with the Revoke option that says Complete Setup again as you see on the screen. Another helpful solution is select the right iPhone. Click on the Change iPhone option and select the iPhone model name from the drop-down option. Here you can see iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro, which are signed in with the same Apple ID. Connected to the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be turned on. Ensure that your iPhone must be near to your Mac when you use iPhone mirroring. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for free tech video updates.